Listen carefully. First, the monkeys get the bananas. Next, they mix the ingredients. Then, they pour the batter. After that, they bake the cake. Finally, they eat it together. Now tell us about their day.